Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a mushroom recipe. So it's a nice simple sandwich toasty that I'm going to make. So if you have any mushrooms at home, this is a very ideal snack or a lunchbox recipe that you can make. So let's get started and check out the ingredients.
Take a white saucepan, add a little oil, add 2 onions thinly sliced, garlic finely chopped. Once the onions are transparent, add 400 grams of mushrooms. I have thinly sliced this. Mix well. After 2 minutes, season with salt and pepper. Next, add a teaspoon of butter. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now this is optional. Cook till the mushrooms are done and all the water and excess moisture is evaporated. Make sure the mushroom filling is nice and dry. Now let's make these sandwiches. Take 2 slices of bread. Spread a little butter on both the slices. Now you can either use white bread or brown bread. Place a spoon of the mushroom filling on one slice. Make sure you spread it evenly. Next, place a slice of cheese on the mushroom filling. Place the other bread on top. Now we're going to toast this over the stove top. So I have a toaster that I can use on the stove top. Grease the toaster on the inside with some butter. Now place the sandwich on one side of the toaster. Place it on the stove top and start toasting it. 1 minute on each side. Now the mushroom cheese sandwiches are done. They're nicely toasted. You can see they look so delicious and the cheese is melted. It's so nice and gooey.
So here is a special snack that your kids will definitely love. You can pack them for their lunch, or you can even make them as an evening snack when they get back from school, or if they're just hungry. You can see it's made in minutes. So definitely try this mushroom cheese sandwich and enjoy. Today's recipe is a very simple sandwich. Any guesses what sandwich that is? Well, it's paneer sandwich. Let's take a look at the ingredients. In a saucepan, take a little oil, add finely chopped onions, 1 medium size, green chilli, 1, capsicum, finely chopped. I'm adding a piece of red bell pepper that's been finely chopped, the yellow bell pepper, 1 piece that's been finely chopped. So I'm adding 3 different kinds of bell peppers, green, red and yellow. So just saute it for a few minutes, about 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to season it with some salt, chili powder, just a pinch of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, about 1/2 teaspoon of amchur powder, that is dry mango powder. So I'm using my hands to just roughly mash the malai paneer. It's very soft and very rich. So I'm just going to add this to the vegetable. It's a very simple and very basic filling that I'm doing here for the sandwich. If you want anything else that you'd like to add, you can. Just add some chopped coriander leaves to finish it off. Just gently mix it. The paneer filling is done. Now I'm going to make the sandwiches. Place a slice of cheese. Take a little of the filling and spread it evenly. Close it with another slice of bread, and now I'm going to toast it on a tawa, adding a little butter. If you don't want butter, you can just dry roast it. Just add a little butter. I'm just going to flip over the sandwich the other side and gently flip it to the other side. Today I'm going to show you a special tea time toasties. Let's see how to make them. So first I'm going to make the green chutney for the sandwich. 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves. Some of them do it with mint also, so if you want to add mint, it's up to you, you can add mint. 1 green chilli. The juice of 1/2 lemon. And a little salt. Add a little water. If you want it a little spicy, you can add 2 green chilies. Well, the chutney is a bit spicy with 1 green chili. I think that's more than enough. This is your very simple and very basic green chutney. So take 2 slices, large slices of the sandwich bread. I'm going to butter it. It's salted butter. Make sure you spread the butter evenly on the slice. Repeat the same for the other slice. Vegetables, starting with the tomato. So here I have slices of boiled potatoes for the sandwich. Make sure you boil it and cut it to thin slices. Onions. Finally cucumber. So you can use other vegetables, you can use capsicum if you like. Just going to sprinkle a little salt and just a little pepper. Next I'm just going to add the green chutney on top. Finishing off with a slice of cheese on top. Close the sandwich, gently give it a press. Now I'm going to toast it on the tawa. I'm going to use this sandwich maker here. Toast these sandwiches. The sandwiches are done. Got a lovely toasted color on top, a nice light brown color. So once your sandwiches are toasted, take them out and serve it hot. Today's recipe is a simple lunchbox recipe. I've had a lot of requests for these lunchbox recipes, and today I'm going to show you how to make corn mayo sandwiches. Very simple. Let's get started. So take a saucepan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Next add 1 medium-sized onion chopped finely. Cloves of chopped garlic. After a few minutes add the capsicum. A piece of red bell pepper chopped. A small piece of yellow bell pepper or capsicum finely chopped. Cooked corn kernels 1 cup. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. I'm just going to sprinkle a little salt. If you want a little spicy, you can add a little bit of pepper. Make sure the seasoning is okay. Cool the mixture completely. Finally add chopped coriander leaves. Then add the mayonnaise to get a lovely creamy mixture. Remove the ends of the bread and spread the corn mixture evenly on 1 slice. So there you have this absolutely simple, delicious corn mayo sandwiches. Now I can't wait to take a bite from this. So I'm going to go take a break and have a bite from this sandwich. You guys go check out all our recipes. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.